rather than the casket. Frank loves his mother so dearly because she did everything to support the family, while Malaki was being irresponsible, so he named the book after her mother. She did all the things that she could think of without thinking if it was painful or not. The ashes in the title were from the ashes of the McCord fireplace after the burning of the coals that kept them warm.
Ashes na! Ang bagal natin. Sige, ashes! Pakita nyo na yung ashes. Ipapas forward na lang. Basahin mo, ano, doon na.
They could... Ano, saan ba yun? Asan na? Tulala ka ba, sir? Hindi ko alam yung sunod.
Anong page ka ba?
Ay, gago ito ata. Ito ba yun?
Maubos na yung ano.
Oh, have a better...
Sige, ipapas forward
He
na
showed
lang natin.
poverty through the use of River Shannon as a symbol of darkness and poverty
Baba mo na yan.
that leads to
Ayusin nyo, dali. That leads to...
hunger and thirst, which became the major conflict that started all their struggles in life that led to the death of his sister Margaret and his twin brothers Oliver and Eugene.
Tago nyo na ulit.
Because of too much experience by the McCourt, the luxury of having eggs in the tables seemed to impact them of too much happiness and gratitude. He also showed how people of Ireland give great
Tago.
importance to their
Tago nyo.
religion.
Religion.
Catholicism is part of their life. What's ironic is how people so much believe in Jesus, God and sins, but they cannot live and put the holiness of God in their lifestyle. They were very
Sige,
active,
linisin nyo pa.
amending and confessing their sins, but they also do it again often.
Tago nyo na. Nakakangawit, friend.